All right, so you want to clear the search history on your Android phone. And if you want to do it properly, there's actually three different places we'll want to clear. The first and obvious one would be your web browser. For most of us, that's Chrome. But if you use a different browser, you'll obviously clear whatever you use to browse the internet. In Chrome, we'll tap the three dots in the top right corner and then choose Clear Browsing Data, or the History tab if you want to first see what's there. I'll check my history first and then tap Delete Browsing Data, and this is where I can choose what exactly gets deleted and pick the time frame that we're deleting. You can just leave the three first boxes checked, unless you need to clear something like Open Tabs or Saved Passwords or Autofill Data. Then tap Delete, and everything for the time frame you selected will be deleted. So that's the first step, but if you want to be thorough, there's a few more places to check. Let's go ahead and look at the Google app next. This is kind of confusing, but even though you've cleared Chrome, your previous searches might still show up in the Google search bar widget on your phone. So we'll go to the Google app and then tap your profile in the top right corner. Then go to Search History, and depending on your settings, you might have this completely disabled, or it might be turned on like mine is. You can either go and turn off the web and app activity tracking, and it allows you to both turn it off and delete the activity all in one tap. Or you can go and change the auto-delete time. If auto-delete is enabled, it'll automatically delete stuff either after 3, 18, or 36 months. And lastly, if you want to manually delete everything right now, you can use the delete button for that. Similar to Chrome, you can choose a time frame or just delete everything by using the Delete All Time option. The last place you'll want to check is your keyboard. Your keyboard is often learning words or phrases you've typed, and it will suggest them in the prediction bar on top of your keyboard. To clear this, we'll go to Settings and scroll down to System. Then go to Keyboard, and from there tap On-Screen Keyboard. Pick the keyboard you use, for most of us that's Gboard, and scroll down to Privacy. Then tap Delete Learned Words and Data. This will clear all learned words from your keyboard, and in the same menu, you can disable other keyboard-related privacy settings as well. If you're on a Samsung phone using the Samsung keyboard, you'll do this under Settings, General Management, Samsung Keyboard Settings, and from there, you'll scroll down to Reset to Default Settings. That'll give you an option to erase personalized predictions. And that's how you fully erase all your search history. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.